Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the new upcoming smartphone of Honor is here and on the line. The Huawei sub-branded company Honor is launching the upcoming Honor Play 4, and it's come with the three different color in official banner. In this video we're talking about the upcoming Honor Play 4. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. Honor is cooking up another pair of the device for its Play lineup, heading towards a June 3 announcement. The Honor Play 4 and Play 4 Pro should be confused with the Play 4T and Play 4T Pro, a different pair of Honor devices that recently appeared out of the blue and are already official. A company manager took a Weibo today to showcase banner for the Honor Play 4 in three colors. Officially, that about as such as we know about the Honor Play 4 pair at the moment. Unofficially, a recent TINA listing suggests that the regular Honor Play 4 will support a 6.81-inch 1080p by 2400 pixel LCD display with 4200 mAh battery and a plethora of RAM and storage configuration. A 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM option with either 64GB, 128GB and 256GB of storage size. Also, a quad main camera setup consisting of 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel secondary camera and two additional 2 megapixel sensor, perhaps one for micro and one for a depth sensor, and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter in a punch hole cutout on the front. All of this fitted inside a 170 by 78.5 by 8.9 millimeter and 213 grams body of the Honor Play 4. Chipset is still a bit of a mystery, but we do know it should be in octa-core with a reported clock of 2.0 GHz, making MediaTek Dimensity 800 a viable candidate. As for the Honor Play 4 Pro, we already have a pretty detailed leaks complete with a render. It's expected to offer 5G support, likely through the use of the Kirin 820 chipset, a connectivity option that is not quite as creation on the non-Pro Honor Play 4. Other bits and pieces expected on the Play 4 Pro, including a Sony IMX600Y sensor for its main camera and 40-watt fast charging and 3.5mm headphone jack. The color option, as you can see on your screen, this picture, black, blue and white color. This is the official banner of the upcoming Honor Play 4. So that is the new and fresh report of the upcoming Honor Play 4 smartphone. We expect two smartphones from the upcoming Honor Play 4 and Honor Play 4 Pro. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and comment below, are you like this new device of Honor smartphone? I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.